Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is Shilpa. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to like this video after watching this full video. So today we are going to see something about Traya. So Traya is a particular brand which is all over the internet and people are totally confused, I guess. Even I was confused initially. So today I am going to tell you my 4 to 5 months review of Traya. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started. If you are not following me on my Instagram, make sure to follow me over there, Unfold with Shilpa, because all these things are already mentioned over there. So let's start with the review. Traya is basically something which I found around December of last year, and then I started it in the month of February of this year. So I thought it would be like Skin Craft or something because there are brands like that before also. But I was again skeptical. But once I moved to Bangalore, the problem which I was facing was dandruff because of the dry climate, I guess. Yeah, it was dry only there. So my dandruff thing was getting itchy so fast. I was already having dandruff issues before also, but that got triggered when I went there. So I decided to use Traya and the entire services. So therefore I hop on to their website. By the way, this is not at all a paid sponsorship or nothing. This is my honest review. I have spent my own money in buying the products. So initially I had taken a test. So we have to fill up the details like a hair fall, the hair condition, the type of hair, this and that, like a lot of questions. And I was also having the PCOS issue. There was also, there was also this question for asking this particular thing. So that I felt good. And then afterwards what happened, once the entire test was over, one person called me, that is the hair coach from their side. He had a call for around, I think, half an hour. Yeah, total half an hour. I had to explain a lot of things. I was also having things like trichotillomania when I was younger. So I was having this particular problem when I was younger. So that was also there in my hair condition because my hair was stuck in growth from that particular point. Even till that, from that point, my hair length is only this much. It haven't crossed that level. It's been more than, I think, 13 years or something. It might sound like, I don't know what it will sound like, but it is so weird. But that was also there. So I addressed all my issues to the hair coach, and further what happened, he had sent me a customized kit which included a shampoo, a serum which is for the dandruff, and the shampoo was for dandruff again. There was one PCOS Santulan, there was this tablet, a hair boosting oil and a hair oil. That was in my first kit. But what I did was, I had filmed all these things initially and apparently I deleted all of those because it's been a while. But now I will add on my recent kit which I have delivered right now, like in this month. I was planning to do a video regarding Traya, then I didn't do that. So yeah, then I ordered it again because my oil, everything was over, and thought to give it another go. So this is coming for around 1,000 or something for this particular month. So in this particular one I have a healthtraya tablet, then I have a oil, scalp oil, then a minoxidil solution which I was having in the previous April month also, then a ketoconazole shampoo, and a hair growth booster oil. So these are the products which I received. I am paying for that. It's not a paid collaboration or anything. So I was planning to do a detailed video about Traya. Hope you have watched that video. So basically this month I have got a few stuff, but let me tell you one thing. What I felt is that the dandruff condition after the second month was completely reduced, that I should say, because that was the flaky and the most irritating dandruff condition I ever had. So that was completely cured by the end of second month. So I would tell that it worked in that particular manner. But if you ask me about the hair fall and this and that, it haven't started happening. But apparently I asked all these things to the coach. So we will have the coach session whenever we order a kit. So basically we will be getting a prescription, a diet plan, and a coach assigned to us for consulting all these things. Okay, I have spoke to this particular person regarding all these issues, my hair fall, this and that. So by the end of third month, my dandruff, this particular serum which I was using was stopped, and further from there I was prescribed with minoxidil. Minoxidil is something which is used for baldness. So I have this baldness problem over here. It's not like proper bald, but my hair area, I mean the thickness of hair in this particular area is comparatively lesser. I am also trying some other things as well. I will update it once it works in the future. So that is happening, and I was prescribed with minoxidil, and also on top of that a tablet called healthtraya and one more other thing. So that was my prescription for the month. But what happened, I stopped by the end of April. Why? Because I was feeling so dissatisfied by that point. Why? Because I was seeing my hair fall not getting controlled, but I was ignoring the fact that my dandruff condition was completely gone. So then I stopped using the things, but the only one thing which is continuously using was the hair oil. Therefore, the same reason minoxidil lasted me for around till I think August. So this month, that is, this month is October. So then towards the last month, I ordered my October kit, which included the things which you saw just before this particular sequence. I can't completely give you the guarantee that it will help you to regrow your hair, but the things like dandruff and everything was controlled. And the PCOS thing, if you have PCOS or any sort of hormonal imbalances, that can literally affect your hair growth first of all. So if you ask me how much I will suggest Traya for you out of 10, I would say it as maybe around 4 as of now, because my hair fall is still there, but my hair growth is also not the best. But what happened, the dandruff issue is completely almost gone. Even restarted the entire process this particular month. So that was my review about Traya. If you have used Traya products before, make sure to let me know, because this can also help others whenever they are planning to purchase a particular product. Because I was very inconsistent in this particular months. I can't completely tell you what I feel like, but the dandruff thing, as I told you, is completely gone. But the hair fall and the other things I'll be uploading or updating on my Instagram somewhere or in my coming vlogs. For that, you have to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So that was my review about Traya. Do let me know what do you think in the comment section.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.